this is where we are. Sometimes say hi.
Hi.
So the village is so nice. Even if it's village, you can see cement road. The whole place is cement. The whole place have cement road, and the houses are open. Like you don't need that is to say they have security. Even in the
Safe.
village, it's safe.
See, the houses are open.
The houses are very much open. This is how they used to build house those days in Nigeria in the village when we are growing up. Majority of the houses are open. Where you'll be passing, you will greet your neighbor, but not now.
No, there
Now
was.
everybody are putting fence like 15 feet tall. As you can see, here is very open. Oh, see grandma. Hi, grandma. You should have bring this the other top for her. You don't see if you like to wear those later we talk.
No, that one, that round.
That type that we never sell. The one you are wearing three colors. Don't you know what I'm saying? The one you bought from Thailand. You have
That
one.
one
That one is one. Why are you showing me? Show yourself now. Talk. Don't you? Well, show yourself. Zero views. So this is village.
This is our water station.
And people here are very friendly. Very very funny people. Like they always want to speak English, even though like some of them is difficult for them, but they still try. I think majority. I think all of them can speak, just that they are being shy. Yeah, they are
Because
being.
people will laugh.
Yeah, because when they speak, people will laugh. So if you want to get them to speak, you just give them. What's the name of that drink? They always do.
Tanduay.
Tandawa. There is one cheap hard drink. That drink is 80%
Alcohol.
alcohol. 80% alcohol. Very strong. You see the way they drink it with water. After drinking it, they will start speaking English. We hear them speaking English. Wow. We say, wow, so you can speak. So very nice, very quiet, very quiet place. As you can see, we enjoying it. I'm enjoying it. Somto, are you enjoying it? Say hi. Are you enjoying it? Say yes. Somto say yes. I'm enjoying it.
Walk. You want to walk, Sami?
Look at the roads, cement, straight. All the villages is cement. They have
Like
cement road.
Niger village.
All the village. In fact, they are creating more roads. See the other place we went to, a lot of roads like
Cement.
cement. They keep creating more and more. Creating more
This one
roads.
is okay.
Not like our country.
Not like Niger.
Not like our country where even the federal road
Still not.
is yet to be built. How much more constructing village roads? So you see the difference between abroad village and Niger village.
It's okay.